Today we're unboxing the Silk and Sonder annual supplement. So this is supposed to be a companion to their monthly wellness journals, which I believe are just their subscription journals. And I don't know why they're calling them wellness, but I guess maybe that's just their thing. So these are a little different. These are stapled, even though online it said they were saddle stitched. So the monthly wellness ones are the ones that have I guess like a mini O-coil binding, and these are part of your subscription. You get these, I believe, every month. Again, I'm not sure, I just signed up, and these are $19.95. And then this one was way more expensive. It was $34, and this one, it looks like, again, maybe some people prefer this. I definitely prefer the spirals, but let's take a look inside. It says index, editor's notes. Okay, it says a lot of things. Let's just flip through it. All right, a note from the founder. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little illustration. We are so excited to have you join us. Who, what, when, where, how, why. And then over here, you can brainstorm core values, which I believe we already did in the other book, but I guess this is maybe just because it's an annual place to like stick it and look at it annually. How's that? All right, top 5 values, 1 through 5. And then my wildest dreams, mapping out your goals. We get a blank page. We get more blank pages. And then we have dream goal number 1, your wildest dream goal. How does this impact my life? What specific steps do I need to take to achieve this goal? Assign days, times that you plan to work at this goal. And then your dream goal number 2, ask the exact same question. So you have 3 dream goals, and then you have a monthly joy list. What do you look forward to each month? Obviously, the Hallmark Channel for December, and then Christmas in July for the Hallmark Channel again. That's all I can think of off the top of my head. Over here, bucket list. I don't know why. I am anti the word bucket list because it's so like depressing and like dark, and I don't know. I think it should just be like my wish list, not my I'm gonna die, so I need to do these things before I kick the bucket. Coloring pages. I guess people find these relaxing. I definitely do not. This just seems like busy work to me, like that is not going to get me ahead in life. Medication tracker. Yearly mood reflection. So I don't know why. I am also anti this circle thing. I think because I'm not an illustrator or like I don't draw, I just don't think like this. And I definitely don't think like in mind maps. Those hurt my brain. Okay. Moments to remember. Vision board. Didn't we do? I feel like we did a vision board. I don't know. Everybody has a vision board. Skincare routines, morning, evening, yearly habits. Whoa. That is way, way too many. So we have 3 habits that they want you to track for the whole year. I wouldn't even know, like if you stop tracking, let's say on let's pretend this is day 8, and then you came back in again at day 12, I wouldn't even know, like there's no numbers. So nice in theory, but 2, this is way too tiny. And also I need numbers. I need some reference. Anyways, except for the first and the last day. Those I could figure out. That's kind of it. All right, happiness jar. Scratch pad. Again, these things are like really set up for people who could draw, and I cannot draw or sketch or anything else. Strengths and weaknesses. All right, color by code. I don't know, this isn't really like strengths is great. What are my weaknesses that I'd like to make a strength? I am 1,000%, as you know, opposed to this. I'm really into Clifton strengths and just like maximizing and building upon your strengths. I think like wasting, so the whole point of this is just for you to focus on your like things you suck at and try to make them better, which I mean, I think that's a waste of time. I can't even tell you how many years I wasted trying to learn foreign languages. I'm just not good at it, and it's like I kept feeling like I had to. All right, more coloring. Timeline of my life. I was born on, okay, I guess, I don't know. Would I like doing this? I would definitely not like doing this. I don't know. Take a few moments to reflect on your story so far. What makes you smile, cringe, or feel nostalgia? I guess since I don't like watching documentaries on biographies, or I 100% find memoirs boring, I think that's probably why I find this boring. Okay. Move on. That's always my motto. Just keep moving forward. Okay. Restaurants to try. I mean, mostly I just mark these in Yelp or something. Okay, my go-to recipes. Okay, I mean, that's not bad. Treats, luxuries, and rewards. Again, I'm not motivated by rewards. I know some people are, but I know I'm kind of weird. I'm just motivated by the process and just doing the work. Passwords, visualization exercise, your ideal day, debt payoff tracker. I don't have any debt, but I could see how that could be useful. Savings tracker, amount to save for the year. Reading and listening shelf. These are cute, again, if you can draw, but if you can't, I mean, and I write big, so, but I do like the idea of this. It's a cute idea. Connections. List the people in your life that you want to spend more time with before the end of the year. Places to visit. I mean, is anybody visiting anywhere with COVID? Inspiring quotes and lyrics. Okay. Cleaning schedule. When did I last something event? Calming corner. Take a few breaths, stretch your body, listen to your favorite song. Oh, I see. Depending on how much time you have, 15 or 30 minutes. Cook a new recipe. That sounds like torture to me, but okay. Feelings, select the top 10 feelings you want to track and be mindful of. Again, it's that circle. I don't know why, I just don't like the circle. Okay. Affirmations. I like this. I like getting a list. I don't have to think about it. I could just mark ones I like and maybe ignore the ones I don't. And their definition of Sonder. And that's it. So, I've joined the Silk and Sonder online membership because I got this January planner, and I noticed that everyone posts what they're drawing and what they're writing. So it's a really great community if you're a great illustrator. Which I am not. However, I do appreciate that it's there for people who like, showcasing their artistic abilities. So, was this worth $34? I would say no. I feel like this could have just been a PDF. I understand people like things physically printed and sent to you. But again, because it doesn't have which it has the same amount of pages. I don't know why she chose to staple it. I mean, obviously I think the stapling is cheaper. That's probably why, but yeah, I would say if this was on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 4. It wasn't bad, but again, because I don't draw, but if I did draw, maybe I'd give it an 8. But for me, it's probably a 4-ish 5. Let me know what you thought. And that is the annual supplement, in case you're wondering, because that is something new that they just said was back in stock.